the target's not crying by now. Like real or fake, I would cry.
Nice.
The target over there is bigger than a deer, and I can't even hit it now. I'm hitting this thing right in the heart.
I know. He's hit it in the heart like 5 times.
What kind of tips are those?
Oh.
Take something off?
I think it's like broken.
Those are like razor blade tips, Reagan.
Does it give them a dent? Oh yeah, look at this one.
Reagan, move over so I can see.
Right there.
Reagan, scooch to the side a little
Reagan,
bit.
no, don't, grab back more.
Reagan, those are actual razor blades, honey. Be careful.
What do you think of the sweatshirt? Like it?
Kenny, can you grab that holy thing?
I didn't know how to respond to that, and I was like, no, I really don't, to be honest with you.
Daddy,
But
when Reagan tried to pull it out of the deer, yeah, when Reagan tried to pull it out of the deer, her hand was right here. I'm like, no.
yeah.
Da-da-da.
Video record. Or record.
Record.
Do it.
Nice.
The first try, I always get it.
Now, the only thing you have to do when you're out on the field is make sure you have a deer 5 feet in front of you.
Right.
Because that happens all the time.
Yeah.
They usually walk right up to you.
Now,
They like the smell of your sandwich that you ate.
Yeah. And especially when you make a lot of noise, that just
Okay.
brings them closer.
They wonder what it is and they come over.
Yep.
Yeah,
Oh, didn't sound good.
I didn't like pull the thing, it just shot.
do you think if you move the deer further away, you could hit it?
What?
If you move the deer further away, can you hit it?
Do you realize what a pain in the ass it is to put that deer into the ground?
Why would you be so close?
Because that's where he told me to put it. He's like, right there. I'm not going to make him shoot it from 100 yards this first time.
Have you put it there so you could get his knife and chase it down and stab it?
Oh, he got on his head.
Carrot. Oh.
Is that from Santa?
Well, it ain't from us.
Nice.
When's the last time you ate a carrot and spit it out?
Uh,
Oh, sweet Dad.
leftovers from,
There's
Yeah.
a carrot all over the ground.
Not even right.
maybe the Easter Bunny came last night instead of Santa.
Oh, we left carrots out for the reindeer.
Mom, the reindeer and the sleigh must have been here.
They must have, or somewhere around here. They probably walked around and just grazed on the grass while they were waiting.
Nice.
I didn't mean to do that.
Right in the leg. Oh, that hurts.
Oh, Dad, look, it like barely. That went in further than these do.
Did it, yeah?
Let's go in the house.
Well, it's a lot thinner tip, so there's going to be less resistance.
Oh my god, the video cord?